What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Search J, back here with another video. I know it's been a while since we made one of these. I'm gonna try to be more consistent with videos now. I do have my setup fully complete. I've been going through the quarantine, so there hasn't been much. I haven't really done any installs on the car. Well, kind of since the last time you saw it. I'm gonna do a little quick walk around for you, and you can see what the car looks like now. I haven't really done any performance to it. It's more just visuals. I put my coilovers on, some wheels. I did my headlights. I did the Diode Dynamics, the switchbacks. So you'll see what all that looks like. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead, and I noticed I've been getting a little more views. I appreciate that. So I did just want to go ahead and do this video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, if you want to go over, if there's anything that you want me to do a video on, the 2019 WRX, feel free to go ahead and leave a comment in there. And of course, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because there will be more content coming. All different kinds of videos. I do try to focus mostly on the car. Every now and then, though, you will see different types of things. Again, if you don't like that, go ahead and let me know. But let's go ahead and let me get to the walk around of this car, and we'll see what's going on.